Hey guys, welcome to Web Dev Cloud. Today we are going to explore S3 Bucket and some of its features, so let's get started. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, is an object storage service offered by Amazon Web Services. It provides highly scalable, secure, and durable cloud storage for any type of data, such as files, images, videos, and documents. With S3, you can store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. It offers a simple web-based interface that can be used to upload, manage, and organize your data in the cloud. It also provides durability by automatically replicating data across multiple availability zones within a region. This ensures that your data is protected from hardware failure, natural disasters, and other events that could cause data loss. S3 also offers a number of features to help you manage and secure your data, such as access controls, encryption, and versioning. S3 provides a feature called cross-region replication, which allows you to automatically replicate your data from one S3 bucket to another in a different AWS region. This can help you protect your data against regional disasters, such as natural disasters or network outages. S3 provides a versioning feature, which allows you to keep multiple versions of your objects in the same bucket. This can help you recover from accidental deletions or modifications of your data. S3 provides a feature called Lifecycle Policies, which allows you to automate the process of transitioning your data to different storage classes or deleting it based on specific criteria, such as age or usage patterns. This can help you manage your storage costs and optimize your disaster recovery strategy. S3 provides a feature called Object Lock, which allows you to place a write-once-read-many (WORM) lock on your objects to prevent them from being deleted or modified for a specific retention period. This can help you comply with regulatory requirements and protect your data against intentional or accidental deletion. That's all for the summary of Amazon S3. As a highly reliable, scalable, and cost-effective storage solution, S3 can be used for a wide range of applications and use cases, from data backup and archiving to big data analytics and content delivery. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, S3 can help you manage your data in the cloud in a secure and efficient way. If you have any questions or need more information about S3, feel free to explore the AWS documentation or consult with an AWS expert. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.